Blue Line Aviation has one of the fastest flight training programs in the U.S. We take students with zero experience and put them on the fast track to a professional pilot career in as little as 5.5 months, and we get a lot of questions about how we're able to accomplish that. We started our career pilot program in 2016 and have been refining our scheduling process since then. The 5.5-month timeline includes buffer time for any delays that could occur due to weather, sickness, or any other setbacks. We use a mixture of Part 141 and Part 61 programs to capitalize on low hour minimums. We mostly teach under Part 141, but for certain certificates and ratings, it's more efficient and there's less hours to use Part 61. Whenever we have bad weather, students can work on studying, finish any written tests, finish simulator lessons, attend group ground lessons, get ahead on upcoming grounds in their current certificate or rating, or even start on ground lessons for future certificates and ratings. We have a large fleet with several planes along with a diamond simulator. Because we have so many aircraft available, we're able to rotate them around in case of any of our planes need maintenance. Speaking of maintenance, we have Blue Line Technical Services, an in-house company that specializes in maintaining our aircraft. This staff is efficient because they deal with our same type of plane consistently, so that they're very familiar with our airframe. They also adapt their maintenance schedule to fit our school's needs. Our students have access to a constantly growing staff of 34 instructors. Our academy structure assigns students to a primary instructor in each academy. And in case that instructor is unavailable, the student can work with a secondary instructor who teaches in that same academy for the same certificate or rating that student is working on. We have relationships with multiple local designated pilot examiners, or DPEs, who conduct the final test for all of our certificates and ratings. Whenever DPE scheduling gets tight, we fly in DPEs from other states to meet that demand. Ultimately, it comes down to having a surplus of resources, efficient scheduling, and a supportive staff to help you every step of the way. If you'd prefer to not make your flight training longer than it needs to be, check the description of this video for how to connect with us.